should be a perfect circle, but I think the systems weren't cooperating with me, so it looks kind of flat on the edges. What if you were to focus, and this is interesting too, for those of you who were focusing on the black images in some of the previous optical illusions, like the love-hate or the good-evil one, what if you were to focus on the white images instead of the black images? What do you say? We're going to choose to focus on and be in our own life. Each and every one of us has that choice. Does everybody see the angel now, or are there still people who don't see the angel? I had one woman look at this, and she practically walked out of my workshop. She said she could not stand looking at this thing. So I don't know what it was doing to her. She obviously was seeing the devils or the bats or whatever word you want to put on those black images there. And she was, I guess, terrified. To me, that was interesting. So then you've got the power people in the center, and the rest are kind of cloning them, getting smaller and smaller and smaller, which gives you that kind of patriarchal structure with the leader at the top, except there isn't one devil or bat in the center.